Alright guys, right now, again, up on live break is Brad's going to be doing 2 boxes of 2014 Historic Autograph Originals 1934 through 36, and then also 1 box of 2014 Topps Dynasty Baseball. So good luck, Brad. Let's see what we get you today. There we go. Nothing left. And your auto in this one is going to be Wally Burger. Wally Burger, that's going to be number 2 of 10 with a near mint to mint 8. Near mint to mint 8. Cool. So that is a first one. Just throw it right back in the box for you. This way you get that box on the bottom as well. Alright, on to number 2. Left inside, and we got autograph of Bill Rogel. Bill Rogel, and that's going to be number 21 of 22. With a near mint 7 on the autograph grade. Cool. So 2 new ones there for you, Brad. We'll pop these back in. Alright, now on to the Dynasty. Let's see what we get you in this one. Alright, and for your hit, we have Mr. October, Reggie Jackson. That's going to be numbered 7 of 10. Patch autograph. Cool. It's a nice looking card there. Awesome hit there for you, Brad. And there you go. So again, we appreciate the order very much. I'll get these packed up and out the door for you today, Brad.